Hey friends, if Microsoft Edge won't close in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So try closing Microsoft Edge from the task manager. Okay, usually if I click close, then it will close. But yes, I have seen that thing happening. So simply search for task manager, open task manager, and wait for the processes to load. Now you may or may not find the Microsoft Edge process here, but if you do find it, then right click on it and select end task. Okay. Next one is to disable Edge extensions one by one. How would you do that? Open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, click on manage extensions, try disabling extensions which are problematic and try to close it. If it works, then open Edge again and then remove that problematic extension so that the issue doesn't repeat. The next one is to clear browsing data and cache just in case the cache was stuck. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select history, click on the bin icon, select time range as all time, click on clear now. Next one is to repair Microsoft Edge. Okay, so we don't have that option here, but I'll still check for it. Okay, do we have it in app settings? I don't think we have it. And the last one is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state just in case a third party software product could be interfering. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.